Meaning of hold.
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 Hold. Hold can have multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. It can refer to physically grasping something with one's hands, as in I'm holding a pen. Hold can also mean to keep something in a particular position or state, such as please hold the door open for me. Additionally, hold can refer to having control or influence over something or someone, like the company holds a dominant market position. In general, the word hold implies a level of stability or persistence in a situation or action.